Alright, so this puppy won't fire up, but it does go through the startup sequence. If I cycle this, power, it should come back on. Kind of a weird furnace. The blower goes first, and you'll see the glow plug will fire in a moment. The fan's going. There goes the glow plug, but there's no flame. Nothing happens. It's like almost like there's no gas flowing. And it tries about 3 times. So I'm not sure what the deal is. It's going to go again. Never fires. There's like no gas flowing. It looks like everything's working, but for some reason there's no gas. This unit is not that old.